Hi guys! So panibago na namang earning application ng ating i-review. Ito nga po si SpaceX. So ang maganda dito, nada-download po yung app. Then pagka-register nyo po, may libre po kayo na 35 pesos. Then meron po tayong daily check-in na 5 pesos. Ayan. Yan. No. So, yan guys, meron na tayong 40 pesos. So, yun guys, if you want to invest dito, ito po yung mga products nila. Ito po. So, 500 pesos po ang minimum recharge. Yung kita po ng 500 pesos ay kumikita lang ng 125 pesos per day. Yung 1,200 pesos kumikita ng 320 pesos per day. Yung 2,500 kikita ng 715 pesos per day. And so on guys. So, ang pinakamalaki nila is 88,000 which is 44,000 everyday. So, in 2 days, mababawi mo na agad yung 88,000 mo, no? So, yun lang guys. If you want to invest, ilalagay ko na lang po sa pinned comment section ko yung aking link. And also guys, ang minimum withdraw pala dito guys is that 160 pesos. So, wala pong limit or number of withdrawals. Then, 8% po ang withdrawal fee, no? So, yun guys, no? Kung gusto niyo mag-invest dito, lalagay ko na lang po sa pinned comment section ko yung aking link. And again guys, invest what you can afford to lose lang guys. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Bye-bye.